Hey, this is Nate. Welcome back for another video on this channel. And someone requested an update for the FTMO accounts. And since the last month is over, this is the perfect time to do so. So here's an update on the FTMO project on all of the accounts. First of all, let's start with the FTMO account maybe. This is the one that I passed already. And you can see this is where the account I talked about last time, which was the one, the first one that I got, and I made the profit of 500. I had a video with the payout. If you want to watch it, you can find it on the channel. So let me make this invisible. And then this is the latest account. So if you have FTMO accounts, you get a new one every month. So in this case, I passed this, so to say, on yesterday. So now I can process my payout. And this time I was thinking that I will do something else. So you can see this is the latest profit split that you just saw. And this time I think I will not get the payout, but instead I will leave the money in the account. Yeah, just to check out how this works. So I will not enter a withdrawal, but instead I will use the rollover. Oh, and you can see that I can roll over only the profit split, so not the total profit that I made, which kind of makes sense maybe, I don't know. And then I don't want to get a new challenge. I don't have any special requirements. So proceed. So I will just roll over. You have chosen not to withdraw any profits. This time, please confirm, review, and confirm your choice. Yeah, I mean, I will proceed. Probably this is not really a clever idea. And I think to most of you guys, I would recommend to always withdraw because I feel like it's the more logical choice. But yeah, I will just choose the rollover just for science. So I will have to enter the two-factor authentication code as always. And that's, I think, it. So payout completed. I mean, in this case, it's not really a payout, but it's the rollover here. So yeah, I think I should get a new account now. And then, yeah, I will just get the login data and it can log into my new account. So let's have a look at the other accounts that I do have here. So you can see I still have these 3 verification accounts, and we can of course also have a look at this here on my server. This is maybe a little bit more, it's a little bit better to really see this. So this is the 100K account where I trade the range breakout EA. This is in the verification phase. So it is this account here that I'm talking about now. And if we have a look at the metrics, we can see it's going a bit up and down in the last few days. But yeah, today there was another nice profit of, I don't know, not so nice, but 200 euro profit. And it's 2.4% in profit. So about 2.6% more are needed to hit the 5% profit target. This is the account metrics. So you can see it's pretty much always in profit, but it came down to break even multiple times already. So yeah, I just hope that in the next few days, maybe there is a good day and the account can make the 5%, which would be really great. Currently USDJPY is performing better than GBP US dollar. So yeah, this is the first account, the 100K verification account. Then I do have this account here, which is the account that I just processed the withdrawal for, or the rollover. And then I also have this account here, which is another 10K account where I trade the range breakout EA. Here I trade with a fixed lot size every single trade. So a fixed lot size of 0.2 for every single trade. Today was a very good day, and we can also have a look at the metrics. This one is actually kind of interesting because the fluctuation in the balance or equity graph is really high, especially because of the huge trades in USD Japanese yen. If you observe USD Japanese yen, you maybe realize that the price movement currently is really, really strong. I think there are some things going on in Japan. I'm not really so deep into all of these news, but yeah, this is why the account is heavily under was changing very strongly often. So it was negative also before 2 times, but yeah, most of the time it's profitable. And here also the same as in the other account, waiting for some good days, so hopefully can hit the 5%. Here also USD Japanese yen is doing better. So this is the second account, which is in the verification phase. And then there's one account left, which is in the verification phase. And this one is doing really bad. It is the stock trading project. And the first phase of the challenge phase was super, super solid. And now the verification phase is just super, super bad. So you can see here, it is down 7% right now. And yeah, as you can see here, I mean, it was performing quite fine the first few weeks, but now from this high, there's a really, really huge drawdown of 10% from the highest point, which is not great. So so far it's kind of okay-ish, but I mean the rules are still intact. But it's really far from hitting the 5% profit target. So this one, I mean, chances are not super high. I would say that it can pass the verification phase. So it will most likely be a loss in this account. And we can see most of the losses are coming from Apple here. But yeah, I mean, this is how it goes. Maybe I used too much risk. But on the other hand, I don't want to wait like 1 year for the challenge to be successful. This is kind of how it goes in the stock trading project. And the last one is the only remaining account in the challenge phase, which is the Go Long Expert Advisor that I trade here in this 100K account. And this is, as I said, a challenge account. So not in the verification phase yet. And it's 3% in profit. And it's going on for a while. So I opened this account at the beginning of this year pretty much. So it's active for like 8 months now. And it's a lot of up and down. And I mean, we will see, I guess. We will see. I mean, all of the objectives are still no rule here is breached. But there are still 7% left to pass the challenge phase, and we will see if this happens or not. I mean, everything's fine so far. Statistics are looking good right now. Profit factor is positive. Actually, the German index is has made most of the profits. But yeah, this one is still in the challenge phase, and that's pretty much the last account of the FTMO accounts that I can show you. So a little summary, out of the 6 accounts that I started in this last year, 1 is already failed. It failed in the challenge phase. 1 is passed. You can see here I made the second withdrawal today, or the rollover. I mean, you get it. You get what I want to say, I think. And then there are 3 accounts in the verification phase. Out of these 3, 2 are going fine. 1 is performing really poorly. And then there's the last account, which is still in the challenge phase. And this one is, some days it's performing good, some days it's performing bad. I mean, it's in profit, which is the good thing here. But it's, of course, in the last 8 months, it did not hit the profit target, and it will take some more time, I guess. So this is the little breakdown. Hope you liked it. Hope your trades are also going good. And I'm out. Have a great time. Good trades. Bye.